Once a signature has been designed, you'll need to configure its rules to deploy it to your users and begin using it. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to manage a signature, assign it to the relevant employees, and enable it for automatic deployment. Locate the signature design that you wish to deploy, and click Manage to access its rules. The overview pane for the signature will be displayed. Select the Senders tab first. On this page, you select the employees you intend to use the signature. Now, this may be as simple as selecting everyone in your organisation, which will mean that the signature will be deployed for everyone. But in instances where you want to define employees, untick everyone in my organisation and further options will be unlocked. You can use Add a Group to specify a directory group, which, if a user belongs to, results in signature usage. Click the Add Group option and start typing the name of a group in the text box. Options will appear in the drop-down menu as you type. Similarly, you can add individual employees using their email address. Click the Add Sender option to enable the drop-down list. Begin typing the employee's email address and select from the options as they appear. It's also possible to use wildcards here, placing a star where missing information is implied. For example, this will apply the signature to all employees with an email address belonging to this domain. Once a signature has been assigned to the relevant employees, you simply need to enable the signature to begin its deployment. Switch to the Enable tab where the signature can be activated. This screen will appear different whether you're using Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. However, the functionality remains largely the same. Signatures can be set up to use the deployment methods that you have previously configured. Cloud deployment, otherwise known as server-side, allows you to deploy your signatures to all devices. Simply tick Apply to emails from all devices, including mobiles, to activate the signature using this deployment method. Additionally, or perhaps alternatively, you can use device deployment, otherwise known as client-side, to push signatures to the relevant email client for your email service. Simply tick See before you send in Outlook or See before you send in Gmail to enable this deployment method. In the case of Microsoft 365, you'll also need to define the settings for default signatures, setting a signature to be the default for new and/or reply emails. With that, you can save your settings, and at which point your signature becomes active. To learn more tips and tricks on how you can set up signatures with Exclaimer, check out our other videos. And if you have any further questions about managing and deploying your signatures, please check out our knowledge base by clicking the link or by reaching out to our support team.